Thanks for taking the time to check out a bit more about our SIAB off-grid solar systems and how they may benefit you. So what are our SIAB systems? Well, effectively they are the journey from when we began nearly 15 years ago and all the hiccups and headaches that we've been through to come to a system that has reduced all of those hiccups and headaches. And initially we did it for very selfish reasons. We were trying to make our own installation teams more efficient, and we found that the best way to do that was to take all of the technical, difficult aspects of the off-grid solar installation, do it inside of a workshop, and send the guys out to site with an already programmed, already built system. All they really needed to do was plug the solar panels in and plug it into the switchboard, and ta-da, you have a full off-grid system. Once we realized how much of a game changer that was, we decided that if we could do it for our own teams, we could do it for anybody in the country. That's what leads us here. We are now selling these pre-built systems to anybody that wants them anywhere in the country. Now, we sell these both to the end user and also to other solar installers who want to speed up their installation. Our systems will speed up the on-site installation process by about 70%. It also means from the end user's point of view that our systems are completely done for you. Now, we can provide you with just the pre-built system, which includes your inverters, your batteries, all of your cable connection points, the internal switchboard, thermal overload protection, as well as internal cooling fan system, which is a replaceable part we have built. Now, we've done it that way because any fan creates a moving part. That is the most likely failure point in any system. Anything that is moving and rotating is going to wear out. So rather than having it as some inverters do where it's incorporated into the inverter, we actually have the cooling fan built separate so that that part is a case of one plug, 4 bolts, remove the unit, replace it, and you can do the maintenance yourself without needing an electrician. It is the same with the system itself, with all of the connections, both the DC and AC connections to the side of the system. They are all plug-in, which means for our SIAB box systems, if you need to relocate it, you don't need an electrician. You can shut the system down, you can undo the plugs, and you can move the system. This has a number of advantages, including if you live in a flood-prone area or a bushfire-prone area and you decide not to stay during an adverse weather event, you can literally, in a matter of minutes, unplug the box, drag it onto the back of a trailer and drive off with it, and bring it back after everything's calmed down. It also means that if there is ever any need for you to move to an entirely different property, you could take your system with you. So that and a myriad of other benefits all come with this pre-built system. It means that there is no programming to do on site. There is no startup process to go through. Once it hits your site, drive the earth stake in, open the lid, turn the switches on, and you have power ready to go. That's it. Plug your solar panels in so you've got your solar charging, but the systems will run even without the solar panels. They will run off the battery charge that is already in there when they arrive on site, and if need be, you could run directly off a generator into the system to provide charge and then use your system to provide power. This is useful if you're doing early construction. You may not have the house built ready to put the solar panels on, but during the construction day, there's a lot of noise anyway. Why not run the generator for a little bit during the day, keep all the workers happy, they've got power to use to build the home. Then of an evening, in the caravan or the tent that you've got parked next to the new home that you're building, you've got an entire charged battery system to run all the power you like of a night time. So you can use it in a number of different ways, and then you can add your solar panels once the home's built. There's a lot of ways that the pre-built system is just hands down a better system. So if you want to find out more, click the link. We'd love to have a chat with you and see if what we have is going to be a perfect solution for what you need, and we can customize whatever you like. We can build from a very small 6 kilowatt off-grid system through to a 300 kilowatt system that is going to run industrial applications and mine sites and these kinds of scenarios. So we can do anything from the very smallest to the very largest of systems. Just tell us what you need and we'll see what we can do for you.